was ready to give up on this painting since there's so many alarming defects and shortcomings. Then I decided, well, let's get the best version of Horrible we can, and I was looking at that highlight underneath the glass, which is actually a reflection of the, actual glass. So I thought that warm white might be a nice change from the titanium white that I've been using, and we were trying to hit that reflection on the table. It's like a reflection in a shadow, and it came out okay. So then I got carried away and started using the warm white all over the painting, and that was kind of successful, I guess. And then there's this super hairline, underneath the rim of the glass. And so I took out my handy dandy plexiglass thing so I won't have to rest my hand in the painting as I try to get this hairline, shadow, reflection, dark, whatever it is. And I don't think it really worked out that great, but anyway, so then I tried to smear off a little wiggle that I had in the brush, but that didn't work, and that's sort of what I ended up with now. I mean, it looks half decent. I don't know. I gotta work on that shallot some more. And that's the deep low color effect, and that's back to normal. And that's the painting as it stands now. I'll keep going on it without a lot of confidence, but that was art fun.